Welcome back on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share FIA Assistant Director BPS 17 past paper. This paper was held on 24th July 2022. In this paper, you will get idea about FIA Assistant Director and FIA Inspector. That test will be conducted from 18 August 2023. For more past papers of FPSC, subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Here we go. Question number 1. He pleads for sanity in a dash world. And the correct answer is lunatic. He pleads for sanity in a lunatic world. Question number 2. Ergosi means, and the correct answer is a big trading ship. Question number 3. Synonym of trepidation, and the correct answer is fear. Question number 4. Synonym of hortatory, and the correct answer is academic. Question number 5. Antonyms of quotidian, and the correct answer is extraordinary. Question number 6. Mr. Jonathan is not home today. Dash, you try calling him tomorrow, and the correct answer is I suggest. Mr. Jonathan is not home today. I suggest you try calling him tomorrow. Question number 7. JIT was formed to investigate the crime. JIT here is a dash noun, and the correct answer is it is a collective noun. Question number 8. The chairman is ill and we will have to dash the meeting for a few days, and the correct answer is the chairman is ill and we will have to put off the meeting for a few days. Question number 9. Who is creating this mess? The correct passive for the sentence is by whom is this mess being created? Question number 10. Saad often dash late at night, and the correct answer is Saad often works late at night. Number 11. Synonym of emancipate, and the correct answer is release. Question number 12. A dash simply makes a statement or expression an opinion, and the correct answer is a declarative sentence simply makes a statement or expression an opinion. Question number 13. The ship is bound dash the United States, and the correct answer is the ship is bound for the United States. Question number 14. I am dash sure of it is as you are. Correct answer, I am as sure of it as you are, not in. The correct answer is as. Question number 15. He writes dash ink, and the correct answer is in. He writes in ink, not of. Question number 16. She is afraid dash spiders, and the correct answer is of. She is afraid of spiders. Question number 17. Somebody burnt the trash here. It can't be Sheena because she cares dash the environment pretty much, and the correct answer is about the environment pretty much. Question number 18. A person who tends to see the worst aspect of things or believes that the worst will happen is known as pessimist. Question number 19. The lady cried for food. This sentence can be defined as simple sentence. Question number 20. A compound sentence must have comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel, and also share your feedback with us. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you.